Hello, my name is Sophie Kim, and I'm currently a high school senior at Palos, Verdes, Peninsula High School. I'm applying for a scholarship to support my undergraduate studies in cellular and developmental biology, which I'll be starting in September. My project is a computer science research called Mathematical Modeling of Cancer Cell Proliferation, Differentiation, and Dedifferentiation. It combines the fields of tumor biology, mathematical analysis, and computer simulations to create a model of cancer growth over a period of time. The purpose of my research is to provide cancer patients with more individualized and effective treatment methods. I found that what's typically done to diagnose patients or predict their cancer growth is to refer to the cancer development in other patients or use prior knowledge from previous medical cases. But the issue here is that the prediction of future cancer growth in certain patients relies on the data of a different individual, and it may not accurately represent the growth of cancer cells in the current patient. The fundamental idea of my research is to take the patient's own cancer cells, observe their growth for some time, and then use that data to predict how cancer cells will continue to grow in that patient. The unique part of my research is that I take into heavy consideration the effect of dedifferentiation in the cancer development process. Dedifferentiation is a relatively new discovery in cancer research. When it's differentiated or mature, cancer cells revert back to their primitive or immature states. This is especially dangerous because primitive states of cancer differentiation, like cancer stem cells, produce the most amount of cancerous cells. By incorporating the rate of dedifferentiation into my model, I was able to more realistically predict the growth of cancer cells. Now, the most important part of my research is that I was able to make my model accurately predict future cancer growth. I validated my findings by comparing the prediction from my model with the experimental data from the actual cancer cells. I found that the computer model very closely followed the growth of the lab cancer cells. The significance of my model is that computer simulations can be used to gain accurate foresight in cancer development. Models like the one I used can give a comprehensive understanding of a particular patient's cancer growth, and thus doctors can use this information to give more specific and individual cancer treatment, which ultimately increases therapy effectiveness. I think that this research could be the beginnings of a revolution in how we treat cancer patients. Just imagine, those who underwent incredible amounts of radiation therapy and suffered horrible side effects may no longer have to endure such harsh treatments. The combined effect of providing specified and only necessary amounts of cancer therapy with the incorporation of the discovery of dedifferentiation opens up a whole frontier of cancer research. I was first introduced to this field of cancer research by my mentor, Dr. Lowengrub, the mathematics professor at UC Irvine. I met him during a science and math summer program called Cosmos, where we similarly modeled growth of tumor tissues. When the school year started, I contacted him again to continue our research, and this project was actually born from the continuation of an independent summer project. This project has really helped me understand the importance of working at the boundary of the unknown. This frontier of dedifferentiation in cancer research really provides a lot of room for advancements in current cancer therapy and in better understanding the whole cancer development process. This research has also taught me miracles of multidisciplinary fields. It's at the intersection of computer science and biology that advances in cancer therapy can be made. I've really taken what this project has taught me to heart and applied it to my life. I've discovered that a lot of progress and solutions lies at the crossroads or across the boundaries of different fields of studies. This is how I've come to the conclusion that my passion lies at the intersection of medicine and international public policy. I hope to become an MD ambassador for the World Health Organization and also for Doctors Without Borders. I really want to make a contribution to the global medical community and make necessary reforms in healthcare and medical safety in underdeveloped parts of the world. This project has not only fueled my passion for medical research, but it's also helped me discover what I want to do in life. My research has really had far-reaching effects for both what I hope is the future of cancer therapy and my personal self-discovery.